Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be showing you how to salvage pasta that has been left over. So this pasta was cooked yesterday and I have kept it in the fridge overnight, and as you can see it's now become hard and doesn't look very appetizing, does it? And it's also lost its moisture, and I'm now going to show you how to soften it up. Yes, you can freeze pasta, I've been told. For how long, I'm not sure, probably for a month or two. So if you don't want to eat it straight away or after a couple of days, you can freeze it. Yeah. So first thing to do is place it into a colander bowl and rinse it with cold water. So you will need to use your hands to remove the starch build-up. So as you can see there's a bit of starch. That's the white stuff that's falling off the pasta. So you use your hands to rub away or wash away the pasta starch thing there. Yes, I might do more of these videos, how to salvage things. So if you want to see more of these videos, then please leave a comment down below. Give this video a like. So I'm just going to keep on with this pasta until it's completely clean from starch. So you just want to continuously wash it under cold water. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say? There's not much I can say. It's a quick and simple thing to do. So instead of just throwing it in the bin, you can restore it and eat it. It's still edible. Don't throw it away. Do what I do and it will be a nice tasty snack or dinner for later if you want. You can do what you want with it. So once you've washed the pasta in cold water, you then need to pour boiling water on it. So I've boiled the kettle and I'm now going to pour that directly onto the pasta, and that's it basically. That should restore your pasta back to its former glory. There is another method to help store your pasta, and so to properly store your pasta you need to add a bit of butter or oil as soon as you've finished with it, and then seal it in a container and keep it in the fridge, and this should store for up to 2 or 3 days in the fridge. So that's another way of storing your pasta. The oil and the butter helps keep it moist, stopping it from hardening basically, as you would have guessed. I'm now just going to add some cheese to my pasta. That's the way I like it. I mean, you can add sauce to it, but today I'm just going to eat it plain, as I'm a plain Jane. I don't fancy adding anything else to it today, so I'm just going to serve it up with a bit of cheese, and that's it. So that's it. You can now serve it up.
For my pasta.
Tastes lovely. It's delicious. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. It was just a quick, simple video on how to salvage your pasta. If you liked the video, found it useful, please give it a like. Don't forget to leave comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to see more videos from How To Not To. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.